you want to transform a stack into a button. I'm not sure why you want to do that, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So to start, click on T for text, and then I'm gonna call this my button. And then I'm just gonna give this viewport count. So that will be, I'm just gonna give it fix for now. That will be 2K for the sake of the video. Then here we have the text of the button, right? And we're gonna change that to fit. Also for height fit. And then now we want to transform that into a button. Before that, we have to give it a stack. And then this one, I'm gonna rename it to button. Before doing that, basically this is already a button without you knowing it. The only thing that is different is because we don't see it as a button. So we have to style it. To do that, we're going to give it a padding, 25. And then we're gonna click on the custom panel. And from top, it's gonna be 12, bottom 12. And here, let's say I will give it 18, honestly. And now we can give it a fill though. So let's say you want a yellow button or orange. Let me go with orange. I want to be fancy. And then you click on text, change the color for that. And then, you know what? Let's be fancy. I'm going to give it a gradient color. So first orange and then a lighter orange. And we can play around with it here like this. So, and next step is to add a radius. So I'm going to give it 12. That's too much. I don't like it. So 4 is good. And now that I see it, I'm going to give it 22, and perhaps 10 for this. Now we have something that is decent. We can add another thing also that will be shadow. So shadow, I'm gonna give it this color here, but in different shade. And then we're going to add it like this, 4, and then a little bit higher. Yes, 8 is good. Then spread 0, leave it to 0. And this one, let's play around a little bit with it. All right. The last step is to add a border. So for me, it's gonna be this color here, but I'm just gonna give like a small, yeah, like this one. And now we have the button, but like it now I'm seeing it, this is one is not really doing it for me. What is happening? I don't even see it anymore. Wait a sec. Why is not working? It's not working. Oh, damn. Okay, when you zoom too much, you don't see it anymore. So I'm just gonna... Yeah. It was good. It's because, yeah, it was zoomed in. So now we want to create a component by right-click, create component, button, and then here you see it. It might be too much, but because it's on a white background, it doesn't really look this way. And because it's on a white background, it looks good. So don't worry that too much about it. Now let's say you want to create a small hover effect, and your hover effect, what I would like when it's a gradient, it just invert the colors. So it's going to be like this. And perhaps the shadow, It's just like a little bit smaller, like this. So that will be primary. And then secondary, I mean, yeah, that will be outline. And so for this one, what we do is do this like this like this, and then hover is so that will be 100%, and then that will be back to 100%. So now if you go here, I'm just gonna center that. So center the button. And now I'm just gonna show you, yeah, just switch that like this, fit content, fit content. All right, so this one, yeah, I don't really like it. What I'm gonna do is actually do fixed. So we can see that, and then do outline. Yeah, actually the outline is not good because that will be won't be visible. I'm just gonna take this color here. Does it look good? Well, it's kind of too much orange. I'm just gonna give it like small black. All right. Yeah, even that, I don't really like it, to be fair, as a button, but I'm just gonna show you the hover effect for this one, So this is how you transform a stack into a button. Again, I don't know why you wanted to do that, but I'm filming this video based off of questions that are asked in YouTube. Therefore, I film those videos. And also, if you are looking to learn Framer, just follow my channel and be sure to subscribe. See you next time.